first coat of some Bondo on. We'll see once it dries how easy it is to sand. I've used this before, but not this coated in small intricate places. So we'll see. We'll give it a let it dry up here. This is a product that's actually O'Reilly's, I believe. I did buy some other Bondo from Harbor Freight, was on special. But I've had this, so I thought I'd use it up. All right, I'll get to sanding here once this sets up. So I got the Bondos dried. Now I'm just got to remove the excess, contour it. So I just used some rough 80 grit stuff. Start out with. Stuff's pretty sandable. As you can see, there's a long way to go. Gotta do some more sanding, and also I have to probably skim it one more time once I find my imperfections. But that's the start of the end here for the frame part. All right, this will be, I guess, part 4. Showing the rest of the welding and then the cleanup. I didn't show much of that. The grinding was messy. So, words of wisdom: learn how to weld or learn how to body fill. Be good at one of those. If you're good at welding, you probably don't have to do much body fill. Or if you're proud of your weld, just leave them exposed. I've got to cover mine up. I just know it's strong. I got good penetration on the steel. Just wasn't pretty. All right, so next one I'm going to probably do a prime on it and then start piecing some stuff together for a complete build on it. All right, please subscribe and thanks for watching.